Hello Bex and welcome to my video. I'm Panamis and yes, this is my characters. Panamis, Assassin, Danny the Dog, Lawman, Penetrate, Lawman, Military Granny, also a Lawman, and Panamisa at the end as a stock. I'm premium account, yeah, the most of the time. This is my GC money, don't got that much right now. My GI is kind of broken. I have donated every single thing I actually got to Vehicle back in the days, but yeah, I have farmed some stuff back, as you can see, for the PvP. So yes, that's what it was it. I hope you will take me in so I can have fun and PvP a lot with you guys. Yes, have fun. Hey.